Everybody, good afternoon. This is Levergun Bum, Sojourns in Rural America here. Today we're going to be looking at the Highwild AR500 Target Stand Kit. This is a kit that is composed of a set of AR500 advertised hardened hangers here. Highwild gives you 4 of these things for a total of 2 targets. These unnamed contraptions here that are going to be holding your pipe together. We're going to be using Schedule 40 pipe today. We'll take a look at that momentarily. Then you're going to need to get yourself some AR500 type steel targets here. I can select a few from those that I have available. Okay, this is the I think this is 3/8 inch. Is that what they call it? AR500 steel, obviously with some paint action on it. Due to some unfortunate professional obligations, I had to be off the property for a bit and neglected to take care of my Schedule 40 pipe and really this whole assembly. So I've spent a few weeks here reconditioning this steel pipe with a couple layers of paint and a matte finish just to kind of make it nice for the presentation that I knew that was coming. I'll roll some footage here. So all it takes to achieve target shooting ecstasy is a couple pieces of this 3/4 inch, 36 inch long Schedule 40 pipe, steel pipe. Again, you can see it's been refinished here. In the past, this stuff's taken some hits here. I shoot a variety of ammunition from 22 up to high power centerfire rifle. I'm not sure what did this. A little depressing though, because this stuff isn't exactly cheap. But so far, so good. Not a lot of damage to this. Stumbled onto a little carrying solution here provided by the good people at Easy Carry, this rapid system. So we're going to wrap up this pipe here and haul this up to the range. Yeah, it's not too bad. Tips and tricks from the field to carry these hooks and what will be our pipe or stand connectors. I like to take a piece of, this is kind of like overgrown paracord, or maybe this is climber's rope here. It's got a nylon center. I had to burn this and smooth out the edges. Just run it through your hooks, run it through your stand connectors. Tie a nice knot here. And you're good to go. Nice little package. Okay, we're here. We're going to set this thing up. So before you, you've got the Schedule 40 pipe, you've got the hangers and the pipe attachment, whatever it's called, no name, and we've got 2 pieces of AR500 steel. So let's build this. Okay, guys, my apologies if by the time you see this video and it's been processed and produced and published, that where I end does not look like where I started. The light is atrocious right now. I've made comment about this, I believe. It's very difficult working in California, Sierra Nevada in the winter because of the mountains, the angles, the light, the shadows, horrible. So to build your kind of pipe stand target here, I've got my piece of Schedule 40 iron pipe here, steel pipe. Got my AR500 targets. I'll have to clean this off a little bit. And I've got my hooks here to hold those targets and these fasters, if you will, that connect these pipes together. Open up my pipe here. Okay, basically, you're going to have 2 pipes here as your stands plural, okay? And then we're going to have a pipe running across the top to hold these targets. We're going to pull out our connectors and our hooks. I'm going to take 2 of my pieces of pipe here as a stand. Okay. Here's a stand. I made mention of this earlier. This has the holes in it. This is likely to get shot again. I'm really wondering what I hit this with the first time. So I'm going to save this for my cross beam. Okay. Probably easier to do this with 2 people. And if you're going to use longer pieces of pipe, i.e. have a larger overall target assembly, you're going to want 2 people for this. One of the ideas of utilizing small amounts of pipe or shorter pieces of pipe is it's a lot more manageable for 1 person. Okay, so you got a sense of what this is going to look like. Okay, guys, thanks to the magic of digital movie editing, you didn't see the last 10 minutes horror, me falling all over, trying to get this thing assembled correctly, etc. This is what it looks like here. We started off with some Schedule 40 pipe that was 36 inches. That is 36 inches. Okay, so this is a very small setup. This beam running off the ground here is about 28 and a half inches. Okay, so this is a very small setup. You've got your cross beams with the Schedule 40. Highwild makes no name, no nomenclature for what these connectors are. I have no idea what they're called. They're 2 holes that hold this beam across the top. And then we've got our hooks here. Okay, the hooks are facing me, away from what will be incoming fire. And you're just going to hook up your AR500 steel here. Brush that off. There we go. Isn't that a handsome package? Okay, so let's hit it. We're going to hit this. And for this video, I was very fortunate to be able to pull out my Smith and Wesson Model 17.8. This is a 22 caliber handgun, chambers 10 rounds, made for 3 years. It's pretty unique, and some accompanying speed loaders to facilitate loading this weapon. Hopefully I don't get a strike from YouTube. YouTube's already given me some flack for content I've released, and I don't even know if you're allowed to show this, but I guess I'll find out. So, enjoy. guys, I'm running out of daylight here. A couple more shots, and then I want to do maybe a 25 or 50 yard, and then the 100-yard shot I have here. See if I can do it on a handgun with a 22, going very slow. Not looking like an idiot for the whole internet. Okay, enjoy. I will. Okay, losing daylight fast, and remembering that I haven't upgraded my camera equipment yet for 2025, which is going to have to happen. So I've got to talk directly into the microphone and kind of address you as I do this. Already lased this earlier. That's about 42 yards. So I'll take the shot here in diminished light, and then we'll back it up to 100 yards. Okay guys, moving to the last shot of the day. I'm ready. It's winter here. Doesn't look like winter, but I can feel it. It's cold. And it's been a long day. Okay, we're gonna set up here for what's about a 100-yard shot. I can't even see the targets there. I'll do some post-editing and highlight those so folks can see them clearly. I'm gonna laze this here. I'm having a problem getting through the trees, but let's see what comes up. That's not right. No. Okay, guys, hang on. I got to go get to a spot where I can see, and I'm going to get an accurate count here on the distance. Oh, so I like bumped over 3 inches, and I got a clear shot. Maybe this is what we'll use for the video. I can't believe this because I just picked up a rangefinder recently. This is the Vortex HD 2000. Perfectly fine unit for the kind of ranges that I shoot, which are really inside of 200 yards. There's I think that's a 4570 video already up on this channel, and I call this a 91-yard shot. Just eyeballed it, and this thing says 90.7. Dang. Okay. That was high. That was a hit, guys. Okay. Well, that's the video today. A little shooting on a very small, compact, manageable target stand, an old Smith and Wesson here, and I just did 90-yard shot on that, so I'm pretty pleased. Okay, hey, if you like the video, like and subscribe. I'll be sending more your way. This is the Levergun channel, and I'll be getting Levergun vids soon. So, Happy New Year, everybody. Take care. God bless you, and God bless America.